Today we're gonna turn your PC, computer, any kind of computer, basically laptop, PC or server, into the real home media server, which is very nice. We're gonna use the application called Plex Server. It's very easy, very simple. In just a few clicks, you can access your movies, pictures, music, which are stored on your computer from any device that is connected to your home network. Or even if you buy the premium features of this software, you can even access it from anywhere in the world with just a few clicks. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Step 1. You go to the website www.plex.tv and then you create an account. Sign up for account. It's completely free. After you create an account and you signed into the website, then you go down and you click on Get Plex. On this page, make sure you choose Plex Media Server. You choose your operating system because it can be used on many systems. You can see FreeBSD, Linux, Mac, Windows, or any other distributions for the NAS boxes. And then you click Download. It's already done. Right click on the downloaded application, run as administrator. Click on install. This is a very fast process, small application. It's going to be done within a minute. There we go. And then click launch. And then it's going to show in the system tray, right down on the right hand side corner, this little tray icon. And it's opening. So you're going to sign in with the same account that you already created. Alright, got it. I don't know why, but it put it on a Serbian language now for me. It's going to be on English for you, I'm sure. Now you have option to purchase the Plex Pass, so it's going to give you some premium options. You don't have to do that because the free version is completely functional. So you're gonna name your server. Let's name it Plex. You can give it any name you like. Allow to access outside of my home. You can check this, or you don't have to, because this will actually work only if you have a paid version. If you don't have a paid version, it will work, but only for 2 minutes, and then it's going to stop playing any content that you're trying to play. So we click next. Alright, add library. Here, now you're going to choose the folder which contains all your movies and your photos and your TV shows and music, whatever you have on your PC or laptop that you would like to add to this media server. This can take a little bit because it's searching. media, setting up everything, but it doesn't take too long, a minute or two. And it's very nice application. You will see it has a decent interface, web interface. It look like a, well, not quite like a Netflix, but it's okay. And what I love it, it's going to search automatically for the thumbnails and for the descriptions of the movies by the title. It will search the internet and it will add a description to every movie that you have, which is amazing option for me. And it's going to add the thumbnails and everything. You're gonna have all data about the movie you have downloaded, metadata, the actors and the producers, directors, everything. It's very nice and very useful. And application for devices it's highly available. It's available for any kind of device that you have, for all smart TVs, for the cell phones, Android, iOS, Apple, for the Apple TV, Android boxes, even for the Sony PlayStation, or even for the Oculus Rift, I think they have. Alright. It's taking a little longer than it should because it's I'm running this on a virtual machine just to show you how to do that, because I already have my Plex server set it up and running on my Mac. Alright, now we got to this screen. So you can choose any kind of library that you want to add. It's going to be movies, TV shows, music, photos, other videos. So let's choose movies, and then we go to add folder. Then you find the folder that you have movies on your PC. I don't have any, so I'm just going to put the documents. Oh, let's do videos. And you click on add to library, and then you can do it. Repeat this step again to add, let's say, photos. And you're gonna again to add library for the library. Now we do my pictures and library again, and then we go next. On this screen is just telling you that you should already download the apps on your devices, on a TV, cell phone, or tablet, laptop, whatever you like. Here you're gonna choose which libraries you would like to get shown on your home screen. Movies and TVs, web shows, news, podcasts, title, but some of them they are coming from the Plex actually. It's going to, beside your movies and the web shows and whatever you have, it's going to show theirs. They are not all free. We're just going to leave this on default. And this one is actually coming from the Plex. This is not on my PC. If you click more, here is going to show, because I don't have any media now on this machine, so you will have your folder shown, and it's going to take a little while until it scans all the media and download from the internet the thumbnails and descriptions of the movies. But it's basically whatever you have on your PC is going to look exactly the same like here. So you're gonna have the same kind of menu. And then when you download the app on your, let's change this to English so it's easy for you to follow me. Alright. There we go. So when you download the app to your device, you're gonna need to connect to authorized devices, and you're gonna have one. Let's say if you download to your TV, you will have to connect your app to your server. It should automatically find in your network your server, so you're just going to be prompted here to type in the code that you see on your TV to authorize that device to be connected to this server. And that's going to be pretty much it. Just a few minutes, you can set up your beautiful home media server, which is amazing. It works very well. It's not too demanding, so you don't need any high-level machine, gaming rig or whatever. Too expensive. It can work on a. You see, this is running on just a simple virtual machine, and it's good. And you can do it as well if you would like to separate it from your system. You can just make a virtual machine on Hyper-V and run your Plex on it. It can be installed on containers as well if you're a little more advanced and you know how to do it. You can do it as well. And that would be it for tonight. If you have any questions or you got stuck somewhere, please let me know in the comments below. I will be more than happy to help you with any issue that you have, because it's simply, if you follow the instructions during the installation, shouldn't be any problems with this. That would be it for now. So please subscribe, like and share.